Hello guys, the topic today we are going to discuss is IoT communication models. What is meant by this type of model? This model defines how data is exchanged between devices, servers and users within an IoT ecosystem. So we already have learned about IoT in our previous video. It is an ecosystem where many devices are connected to a cloud and things are run from there. So there are some primary IoT communication models which will be discussed in the further video. They are, first one is device to device, which is also known as D2D. Second one is device to gateway, D2G. Third one is device to cloud, D2C. Fourth one is device to server, D2S. So let's learn one by one briefly. So according to the first one, in the D2D, the IoT devices communicate directly with each other. Like there is no mediator in between, or there is no any third party in between. They directly have communication between each other. Like I am device 1 and you are device 2. We directly communicate. That's mean by D2D, device to device. So what are the key points in it? It is direct communication, short range, low power consumption. It's obvious, like I'm having a direct conversation with you. You should be near me. Then I can have directly direct conversation. Otherwise, I have to use a second party or third party, which is a mobile phone or any type of texting app. So as you are near to me, there's a low power consumption. It's obvious, right? Then what are the use cases of it? Home automation. If I am the person who is giving an order, and for example Amazon. So Alexa is one of the IoT devices. I can directly have a one-on-one conversation there. So coming to the point number 2, device to galaxy, D2G. What is meant by this? Here, IoT devices communicate with a gateway which act as mediator between devices and the cloud. So we already learned that whatever we like give information to it, it goes to the cloud, then comes to us. So here the IoT devices communicate with a gateway. Here gateway acts as a mediator between the devices and the cloud. So we should keep this in mind, that in device to gateway, the information goes from the device to cloud, but the gateway acts as a mediator in between. What are the key points? Local processing, protocol translation, and improved security. As the information is passed through the gateway, so the security becomes more like secured. So what are the use cases of it? Smart cities and wearable devices. Wearable devices, like we connect that with our mobile through Bluetooth, and then we use that. So here Bluetooth acts a gateway. And smart cities, like in smart cities, always there is a network which handles the complete what we say information of that city. So here someone or any other thing is acts as a mediator in between. So what is the third one? Device to cloud, D2C. Here the IoT devices communicate directly with the cloud. Here there is no direct person or no gateway. Here directly the devices communicate with the cloud. What are the key points in it? Scalability, remote access. We can access that remotely, and like it's very scalable. Like it directly having a conversation or communication with its cloud, then it's more scalable, right? So what are the use cases of it? Connected vehicles and smart agriculture. Smart agriculture is like nowadays it's using more in some rural areas. It's like just showing them the way, then it's by itself sow the seeds, etc., and spray the fertilize. And the last one is device to server, D2S. Here it is similar to D2C, but typically used in smaller localized deployments like specific server. Here, rather than connecting to an entire cloud, their device is connected to a specific server from that cloud. It doesn't need to enter into the very huge cloud, just a part of that. Here the key points of it are localized processing and data privacy. As the server is completely for the device, so the data is completely secured. And what are the use cases for smart buildings? For example, keeping the complete and entire data of a building in a separate server can keep the entire sensitive data safely and more securely. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you understand this video. I have tried to explain this in very simple way so that you can understand and take this as short notes. Thank you so much, guys, and please reach me till 100 subscribers. It will be a great compliment for me. Thank you, guys.